Hello guys, welcome to today's post-market analysis. So let's open up optionworld.tech first. We'll see what happened in FIA activity. We'll wait for that. Okay. So for 12th of August, there was not much activity, but there was somewhat activity in FIA index options. A net selling has happened in index options, we can see, and FIA cash market data is also negative. So our view for yesterday would have been that the market was bearish, will be bearish. Now let's go into our index levels that we gave. So as you can see, yesterday, initially when the market opened, nothing happened in Nifty. So at around at 12:45, Nifty hit our buy level of 24,250, and then it took our stop loss at 1335 1355, sorry, 1355. Let's see what happened in Bank Nifty. So our level was 50,150, which it hit around 1230. No, yeah, 1230. And the stop loss was hit. Was it hit? Wait, let me see. Yep, it did hit at 1515. So both in Nifty and Bank Nifty we had losses in them. So let's see what happened in the live market data that we gave. So we'll go start with OI as per usual. So we'll look at Bank Nifty first. We'll go down. Okay. In the morning at 9:15, we start looking at 9:25. So over there you can see that wait. Yep. At 9:25 you can see all three conclusions are bearish, and our future price is close to its VWAP over here. So we can use that as a stop loss. So then at 9:45 it took our stop loss over here. But overall in this particular trade we would have gotten 30 points. No, 10 points, sorry, 10 points. Then at 9:55 all three conclusions were bearish again, and from that point onward we would have gotten, I'm pretty sure it did not turn bullish, any of them. Yeah, from there we got the whole ride basically. So at 9:55 the market was at 50,381 at 9:55, right? Okay. So 9:55, our initial position would have been at not the range, wait, price range. Yep, from here all the way down to here. So yep, that was 600 points we got in Bank Nifty. Now let's look at Nifty. Okay. Ooh, this a lot has happened here. Okay, all good. So initially at 9:25 nothing was matching, so we wouldn't take trade here. But then at 9:30 over here all three conclusions were matching, so we can use either one of them, either the future VWAP or MMA conclusion as a stop loss. So but then at 9:35 we would have exited again. So initially for the first 1 hour, we would have taken multiple trades and exited because the data was fluctuating a lot. So then from 9:20, right, at 9:20, all three data points were bearish. So we could have used it, and then at 9:15 over here, 9:50, wait. Yep, so 9:20, all three conclusions were bearish. And at 9:50, the future VWAP conclusion turned bullish, so we would have exited here as well, which is almost nil to nil over there. So today in Nifty, we would have done multiple trades, but then once the data got stable over here at 12:05, then from there it did not change. So 12:05, you can see 12:05 over here, right? So from here, so this is around 180 points, and initially all these trades would have taken 10 points, 15 points, somewhat like that. So we could say in Nifty we got around 100 points today using this, just the summary indicator. Now we'll look into PCR OI analysis. Now we'll set this strike as 7. Wait for the data to load. Yep, now let's start from the bottom. In Nifty, what we could see is, although in OI analysis data was a lot of fluctuation, we can see at 9:24, when initially our MMA was plotted. If this lets me highlight, okay, it doesn't let me highlight, it's fine. I'll close this. Okay, at 9:24 we can see the PCR was really low, only 0.6. So this is actually a very strong bearish condition. So if we look at both OI and PCR analysis, we could conclude that although future is above its VWAP, market will fall. Okay, so we can see that at 9:24, all the way at here, which is here, our entry would have been at 24,330 instead of 22,285. So around 40 points above our entry price. If we look at both PCR and the OI analysis, in Bank Nifty, similar story here in Bank Nifty, that initially the PCR was really low. So this is a strong bearish condition. So our entry, which was at 50,368, it would have been at 52,484 instead. So if we look at both PCR and the OI analysis, we get a much stronger view at what is happening, and we could combine them and use somewhat knowledge that we give, what indication is stronger, and we can see that the PCR is actually much stronger right now because it's very low, and over time, as we saw yesterday, over time it was increasing. Because this is a bearish case, over time the PCR was decreasing, as you can see on both sides. So this shows that your point of a bearish market is actually strong and it will continue that downward momentum. Now we'll look at total OI just to be sure, just so you can see it. So over here in Nifty, market was not able to break 24,300. It only broke at 12, 10, right? Okay. So we'll look at Nifty. The level was 24,300. So we'll open it. Yep. So initially it was very strong bullish in this particular strike, but you can see at 10:04 there was a negative conclusion over here in COI difference, and also you can see the OI change trend is also very strongly bearish. So we can conclude that the market will break this level, although it's staying above it right now, but it will be broken sooner or later in the market. Let's look at Bank Nifty. The level was around 300 and 200. We can see. So at 300 was not able to break and 200 was not able to break. So we'll look at those two levels in Bank Nifty. 50,300. Okay, we'll look at 300 first. If you are using this and if you want to see multiple strikes, what I recommend is not picking just 2 strikes that you want. Pick all the strikes from ATM up to that strike, and as many strikes you pick it on the other side as well. Because if you pick just 2 strikes in the money, like suppose market is at 50,000 and you pick 50,100 and 50,200, the data will be bearish because both of those strikes will have more call open interest than put. So what I recommend is picking 50,100, 50,200, 50,000, 49,900 and 49,800, like all those 5 strikes, because then you'll have a better view of the market itself. So back to our levels, it was 50,300. So we'll go down here. Oh, perfect. In the morning you can see, right, just after 8:30 the difference was negative. So and it kept on increasing, the OI change trend kept on being bearish. So that is actually a very good indication that although the market is staying above 50,300, it will be broken soon. Let's look at 50,200. 50,200. Okay, in 50,200, after 10 o'clock, the OI change trend was bearish for 30 minutes, and the difference was negative at 10:05. So after 10:05, we knew that the market will go below that 200 level. So over here, from there we got 600 points, and from 30 we got another 50 points from there. So you can see that if we use all three of these indicators, we can get really good trades out of our trading journey. So that's it for today. Yeah, see ya.